Have you ever seen some people who always bringing down others, just stuck in life? They don't move. They just stagnant. They're not going anywhere. And you see years pass and years pass and years pass and years pass, and they're consistently in one position. It's like they're stagnant. They can't move. And watch the people with good heart who wish people well and want to see people better. Just keep moving up the ladder. Pay attention. Yeah. Some people just stuck. They're not going anywhere, and they don't realize is that the energy is real. When you, whatever you project on others, is that you receive. Blessing comes when your heart is clean. There is no way that is going to keep coming to you if you have dirty things packed up in your heart towards other human beings. So take that as a lesson and learn. Pay attention.